Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing video. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. Thank you guys for sending me this unit. Hopefully everyone had a good day. Everybody is safe. We got a big old box today. Oh boy. Should be interesting. They got Prime Day deals going on. Father's Day deals going on. Definitely check these guys out. Uh-oh. Let me put you down. Oh, baby. This is going to be a nice one to test out. Coming from Seauto. Smart Robotic Pool Cleaner. Replaceable battery. Super filtration system. Reminder function. Cordless. Brushless motor. This is the one to get, guys. If you don't know what to get to your father for Father's Day, get him one of these, because help him out. Save some time cleaning the pool or your hot tub, your jacuzzi, whatever you guys want to call it. Get into this and test this thing out tonight. So, definitely check them out, guys. All you gotta do is click the link down below, place your order, and they'll ship it to you fast. We got the power. Oh, this is nice. Manual. And we got one of those hooks. You can always put something onto it. Or they might have a pull you could buy also. But they just give you the hook to start off, so that's a good thing. But, you know, don't mind getting wet during the summertime. Cool off a little bit. You'll be good to go. Alright, this is a big one. I love these robots. They are good friends to help us out around the house. I just try to get the lawn one next, so hopefully I can find a lawnmower like a smart bot that I've seen. But that takes time. Alright, everything's out. Here we go. Ooh, I like this. This is mean looking. Oh wow. Super, whoa. This is cool. Bada boom, look at that. Okay. Shoot. Got on top. Oh, baby. Alright. Got that undone. I think it's already charged, so I don't need to charge it, so that's a good thing. Looks like a camera back there. That's pretty cool. Zoom out. There we go. Ooh. That's how you empty it? Okay, that was easy. Here's a filter. Drop that back in. And put you down. Okay, we got that situated. I think this is the power. Ooh.
Welcome to the Seauto pool cleaning robot. I'm ready to work. Now it's all cover mode.
Whoa. That was cool. That's like the army type tech. Those mini tankers. I like these things. And now see the hook? You just grab it onto that to get it out of the pool. And you'll be good to go. Let me put this on the ground. See what happens. I know it's not going to do nothing right now. So we'll give it a second. Look at those wheels. We'll see how long it takes to warm up, maybe. But I think it needs to have water and all that stuff to, you know, fully work. You can see right here, the bottom, the brushes. Very nice. That's where you stick the cord in. You'll be good to go. There we go. So I think that's it. Once it says that it's all program mode, all you gotta do is drop it in the pool, which I'll show you, and then you're gonna see it do its magic. So stay tuned for that.